Hey, what's up, marketing marvels and video enthusiasts? Welcome to another episode here at Ask Melrish. And today, again, we'll be talking about something that you would like to know about video marketing and social media. We'll try to answer your questions about data-driven marketing decisions about video. So I know video marketing and producing video content can be daunting, can be confusing at times, but today we want to talk to you about A/B testing. What is A/B testing? Before you think about scientists or lab coats or test tubes and explosive experiments, that's not what I'm talking about, but I'm talking about A/B testing that will lead to success of your videos. So a lot of you who have started video marketing or who are still thinking about video marketing and you don't know what type of videos to produce, what will work with your audience, A/B testing is the solution. So what is A/B testing? Think about producing two identical videos, but one will be different because one will have a different thumbnail and maybe how the video starts, and the other one will have another different video thumbnail. So then you can try to put those two videos on ads or on your social media and see the reaction of your target audience. So you'll distribute these two videos to your target audience and see how it works. Let's say, for example, you have a clothing brand. One video starts with an upbeat music that is trendy, that will appeal to your market. And one will start with the celebrity that is, or an influencer that's well known in that field. That will appeal to your target audience. So then you distribute these videos to your target audience and see who gets more click-through rate, who gets longer views, and which video gets engagement. You can also do these videos on your YouTube channel. You can produce two YouTube videos that has the same content, that talks about the same idea, but you'll have two different thumbnails, two different titles, and see what appeals more or which videos will get more clicks or more watch or more views, and which video will be more effective for your call to action. So you have these two videos, but make sure you take down what are the different aspects of each two videos. So you have video A and video B. Video A has more of a fun, playful title. Video B has more of a straightforward title. Video A can have the fun, playful thumbnail. Video B can have more of a serious thumbnail that is straight to the point, that answers directly your clients, your customers' questions. You release them to half of your audience, the other one released to another half of your audience, both in the same demographics, and then you observe which videos, and you gather the data and the results from each video. Then from here, when you try to get the data and the results from your A/B testing, then you can find out what appeals more to your audience. You can make better decisions when you do A/B testing. You can now say, since video B, who has more straight to the point and direct thumbnail and title appeals more to my clients, I will go for that. Or maybe your target audience likes more of a fun and playful kind of thumbnail and title. Maybe you'll say, this received more views, so I'll go for and continue to produce more of these videos. A/B testing is really effective to remove the guesswork on your videos, so then you will know where to put your investment on. So what are the things you can experiment on besides what I have mentioned? So you can experiment on video title, video length, the intro music of your video, the call to action. You can also do A/B testing on your call to action buttons. Does click here appeal more? Or is it get your 10% discount code appeal more to your audience? These are things that you can experiment on when you're doing A/B testing. Maybe this actor appeals more. If you're going for UGC, maybe you'll experiment on a micro influencer, or maybe you want to use a macro influencer with a lot more followers. But of course, A/B testing involves a little bit more investment because you're producing two different videos. But if you want to really nail it right for the next videos that you want to produce, in the course of the year, or if you want to move on or if you want to produce a series of videos, the first step you can do is to do A/B testing so you can get it right for the next videos that will follow your first video that you did A/B testing on. To get your A/B testing right, make sure you take down and give yourself a focus. To make your A/B testing effective, make sure to do the following tips. Tip number 1, keep it focused. Don't experiment on too much of a difference, because otherwise you will not know what factor made a difference. Like, for example, video A is so different from video B, from thumbnails to music to buttons to the characters to the setting, and video B is so different. So then you will not know what was the aspect that made your audience click video A versus video B. Tip number 2 is set your clear goals. What are your goals for your video? Is it to get more views? That means you want more of brand awareness. Do you want to get more clicks on the call to action? That means you then have to make sure you have clear call to action at the end, like buy now, go to our website, shop here, or something more, that will give you the results that you're looking for. Tip number 3 is get enough data. Make sure that when you sample your A and B videos, make sure that you have enough audience to experiment on. So, because you cannot experiment on when you have a tiny, like 10 people who will be watching your videos for each video, that is not enough data for you to make a conclusion for your next video. So make sure when you do A/B testing, you have a big enough of audience to experiment on. And make sure you also run your A/B testing in a significant amount of time. 1 day or 1 week may not even be enough. Maybe run it for 10 days to 30 days to see the results, and then you can make conclusions after that. And of course, A/B testing will only work if you're not afraid to go and make experiments. Don't be afraid to be more experimentative. Maybe it's more than just thumbnails, it's more than just titles. Just be creative and make sure when you experiment on A/B testing that you're willing to look for something that what your audience is looking for. Maybe you have been asking yourself in the shower, maybe an idea popped into your mind like, will this work for my audience? And the answer might be A/B testing. Maybe you've been doing something for so long and it's been working, but you're thinking, what if I do this? Maybe I'll get more views, or I'll be more viral. Don't worry, the solution will be A/B testing. So once again, if you need help in producing videos, A/B testing videos too, our team of creatives here at the Melrish Studio are willing to help. We do everything from script writing to production, post-production, and thinking how you can A/B test your videos too. Don't be afraid to shoot us your ideas, and we'll be there to help. And if you have questions, do drop in the comment section. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe for more.